This is Michelle. We've just hosted our 4th Havasu Heat race, which consists of outrigger canoes, stand-up paddleboards, some other type things like prone boards. We are a club that this is our big fundraiser for the year, so we're very excited to have people come and paddle with us from, gosh, Las Vegas, Phoenix, New Mexico, California. Michelle's our executive director. She pretty much put this thing together with some help from her friends.
Lots of friends. Lots of good friends.
So we're looking forward to having our 5th race, date to be determined.
We're Team Arizona from Tempe, and we're up here for the day, and we put in 3 crews. Women's long course, mixed short course for both Masters, Masters and Open. And our Open crew got 1st place, and our Masters crew got 2nd place. And our women's crew got 1st place. So we had a great time today, and hope to come back next year.
Awesome. Ninth Island!
Ninth Island from Las Vegas!
Yeah, baby!
Only Canoe Club in Las Vegas! Come check us out at Lake Mead! Thank you, Havasu, for having us! 1st place, baby!
Yeah!
We love you, Queen! We miss you! Always in our hearts!
Aloha!